Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect Supabase with VS Code. Start by opening the Visual Studio Code application on your computer. Wait for it to fully load so you can see the main interface. Now look at the left side of the screen where you will find a vertical menu. In this menu, click on the extensions icon. It usually looks like small square blocks. After clicking on extensions, move your focus to the search bar at the top of the panel. Type Supabase and press Enter. A list of results will appear. From this list, find the official Supabase extension. Make sure it is the correct one published by Supabase. Once you find it, click on the extension. On the right side, you will see more details about it. Now click on the Install button. The installation may take a few seconds, so wait until it finishes. After the installation is complete, the next step is to log in. Open Supabase in your web browser. Once the page loads, go to the top right corner and click on your account picture. From the drop-down menu, select Account Preferences. Inside Account Preferences, find the section called Access Tokens. Here, click on Generate New Token. A token will be created. Copy this token and store it somewhere safe, because you will not be able to copy it again later. Now return to Visual Studio Code. Open the terminal by clicking on the Terminal option at the top menu and selecting New Terminal. In the terminal, type npx Supabase login token and then paste your token. Press Enter. You can also type npx Supabase login and press Enter. This will give you a verification code and a link. Open the link in your browser, enter the code in the given field, and complete the login process. This method works, but sometimes it can give errors or take more time. Because of that, using the access token method is usually better and faster. Your Supabase account is now connected to Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching.